Hello everyone and welcome to Petit Cooking. And today I will show you a simple recipe that you can do at home when you have extra tomatoes in your kitchen. The name of this recipe is Bocconcini tomatoes. There are various ways to do this recipe, but today I will show you how I do it. To start, you take any kind of tomatoes. For example, in this video I use Roman tomatoes. You cut the tomatoes into thin slices and you lay them onto a plate. Next, you take your bocconcini cheese. There are several sizes of bocconcini cheese. You can use medium-sized cheese or sometimes they call it cocktail-sized cheese. You cut them into thin slices and you lay them on the slices of tomatoes that you previously cut. After that, you add a thin layer of olive oil and balsamic vinegar onto the cheese and the tomatoes. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, you add the Italian spices. Important to mention, if you don't have those spices, you can use oregano and basil. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. See you next time and bon appétit.